Hi friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. No Salesforce. Today we are going to learn how to create a visual force page. Let's start. Click on this gear icon. Then here you can see the developer console option. Open the developer console. Okay, it's loaded. Then after click on this file icon. Then click on this means or on this new button. Then here below the apex trigger you can see the visual force page option. Then click on this visual force page. So I'll give name as test visual force page. Click on OK. So here you can see the visual force page gets created. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and do share it.